Check out the Subaru 2017 BRZ Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are crystal black silica, performance package included, Sachs Performance Shock Absorber front and rear suspension T145/70R17 temporary spare tire wheels, 17 inches x 7.5 dark gray finish alloy high luster Brembo 4-wheel disc brakes, black Alcantara upholstery with leather bolsters included, red stitching and front seat back with red embroidered BRZ logo, rear wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist and locking limited slip differential. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.